How to recover password in Facebook. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is look for the menu icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. In Android, you can find it at the top right or left side. Now, simply tap on the menu icon. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy option available there. Then tap on the Settings. Inside Settings, tap on the Account Center at the top. Once you tap on the Account Center, tap on the Password and Security. Inside Password and Security, you will get to see Change Password option available at the top. Simply tap on it. Then tap on your Facebook profile name. Then you'll be navigated to change your password. First of all, type down your previous password, then enter your new password and re-enter your new password, and simply tap on the Done or Save Changes option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.